Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have an important new update for the Samsung Galaxy S20 series. That's the S20 Ultra, S20 FE, and all the other models. So let's dive in and see exactly what's going on. So if I pull down the notifications panel, if I go to my settings on the top, you'll see a new software update is now available. If I go all the way down and tap on software update and tap on download and install, I get the details. And I do want to let you know this update is going to be 247 megabytes. My S20s that I have in the house are unlocked models. They're US models. So if you have a carrier, it might take a while, or maybe you already got this update. So we have some enhancements listed over here. Let's install this, be right back, and see what's going on. Now, before I dive in, I do want to let you know Samsung is about to release some industry-changing smartphone on August the 11th, and there's going to be a link down below. When you click that link, you are able to reserve the upcoming smartphones, and by reservation, I just mean giving your name and your email. That's it. And what's going to happen is you're going to get locked in to their insane deals, their exclusive offers, where they are going to give you super high trade-in values, free Samsung Care Plus, and also a special gift when the time to pre-order comes. So click the link down below, make the reservation, and if you do end up buying one of their new smartphones, you're going to get the best price and the best deals. If you don't buy, you just move on. But if you don't reserve and later you try to buy those phones, they're simply going to be more expensive without these perks right here. Anyway, let's dive into the update. So I'm going to tap on install now, be right back once the update is complete, and we'll see what's new. Alright, so the software update is now complete, so let's tap on OK. So let's go to the settings real quick. I'm going to go all the way down, go to software update. And one of the biggest things is that we now have the security patch level for August the 1st. That's great. The last time there was a delay, now we got it as soon as possible. So we have the latest security patch. Now if you go back here and go into About Phone, and if you tap on Software Information, at the bottom you can click the link. Once you click that link, it actually tells you exactly what has been updated. You scroll down, click on Samsung. It's going to show you what the problem was and what was actually fixed right at the bottom here. So here's one example of vulnerability that was fixed with the latest update, so your phone is secure, up to date. Now beyond that, what we have is we have overall enhancements to the performance. So the phone is going to be even smoother than before. It gets better and better with every single update. These updates are great. They also enhance the use of the camera, so the camera is more smooth. When you go to the photo, when you zoom in and zoom out, it's going to be even faster to focus, to zoom in, and all that good stuff. Everything works nice and cohesively. Now, we don't have any new features with this update, but there is one thing. If you do have the latest update to your keyboard, what you are getting access to is a bunch of new stickers at the bottom here that they have changed. I think they're right over here. Now, you want to check it like this. So you want to tap on this icon here, and then you want to go to the settings. You want to go all the way down, and you want to tap on About, and it's going to tell you that a new version is available. So make sure you update that as well, and that's going to make sure that you get the latest stickers that they've added to their Samsung keyboard. But beyond that, we don't have anything else really going on. Latest patch, latest security, and performance improvements, okay? By the way, don't forget to reserve your next Galaxy if you are interested in the upcoming phones and want to get locked into the best deals. But that's it. Any questions, comments, drop them down below. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?